How to manage the job queue on the HP PageWide XL printer series. PageWide XL printers' job queue management capabilities keep me in control of my work. I can monitor my current jobs, view old jobs, and change the order of jobs I've sent. To view the job queue management screen, I just press the Job Queue button on the front panel. In this screen, I can see my jobs that are being printed, jobs in the queue, and a listed history of past jobs. The history is listed in chronological order and will contain any canceled or failed jobs. If any of my jobs have an issue, I'll see a section for jobs on hold, and I can click on any jobs in this area for more details on the issue. To alter the job queue, I need to press the arrows icon. If I'd like to cancel a specific job, simply select it and press Cancel. Please note that the printer should be on pause to be able to do this. With all these functions in the job queue management screen, I can control my printing however I want.